Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Realme 9. First of all, go into Play Store on both smartphones and click on the servers. Now type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then open it. From this screen here, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on a Nokia. Later on, choose Receive on Realme and Send on Nokia smartphone. Now you need to click on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your content and transfer it later on. It will take a long while though to transfer all of mine, so I will go with only one photo, for example that one. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on Realme, choose No Thanks and close this window. As you can see, after that we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and connect those smartphones by choosing Receive, but we can also scan this QR code. If you wish to do that, you need to tap on the scanning icon on Realme, tap on while using the app or only this time, and simply point your camera at the code. Now, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!